In today's video, I will walk you through how to use BingX Convert. Want to swap one cryptocurrency for another without placing a trade on the market? BingX Convert makes it easy by letting you exchange supported cryptocurrencies instantly with just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open BingX website and sign into your account. From the main menu, navigate to Spot, then click Convert. Depending on the version of BingX you're using, you may find it under the Trade or Assets section. Once you're on the Convert page, you'll see two fields, the cryptocurrency you want to convert from and the cryptocurrency you want to convert to. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. For example, if you have USDT and want to receive BTC, select USDT as the asset you're converting from and BTC as the asset you're converting to. Next, enter the amount you'd like to convert. BingX will automatically display an estimated conversion rate and the amount of the new cryptocurrency you'll receive based on the current market price. Before confirming, carefully review the conversion details. Make sure you've selected the correct cryptocurrencies and entered the correct amount. Keep in mind that the quoted conversion rate is only valid for a limited time. If it expires, you'll need to refresh the quote to receive the latest exchange rate. Once everything looks correct, tap or click Convert to complete the transaction. In most cases, the converted cryptocurrency will appear in your account almost instantly. And that's how to use BingX Convert.